Welcome to Asyn Code. Join me for more fun coding tutorials. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the action. In Python, to create a scatter plot using matplotlib, you begin by importing the necessary libraries: matplotlib.pyplot for plotting and numpy for generating data. First, let's import the necessary libraries. This will help us generate some random data. Now let's generate some sample data for the scatter plot. We will create two arrays of numbers, one for the x-axis and one for the y-axis. Let's create 50 random values for x. Generates 50 random numbers between 0 and 1. Now let's generate some random values for y, but we will also add some noise to make it more interesting. Adding random noise. So, to summarize, we have x, 50 random numbers, y, 50 random numbers with added noise. Let's print the first few values of x and y to get an idea of what we are working with. Print the first 5 x values. Print the first 5 y values. Next, let's create the scatter plot itself. We will use plt.scatter to create the plot, passing in our x and y data. This plots the points with blue color and circle markers. Now, we should add a title and labels to the axes so we know what we are looking at. Adding a title to our plot. Labeling the x-axis. Labeling the y-axis. It's always a good idea to show the plot at the end. So let's call plt.show to display the plot. And that's it. We have created a simple scatter plot in Python. You can modify the x and y values, change colors, marker types, and more to customize it. Now run our code. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos coming your way.